In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to import videos in your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so if you are having a presentation and you need to show some videos to your viewers or to your audience, I'll show you 3 ways in which you can insert your videos into the Microsoft PowerPoint and have them play directly, or you can play them automatically as you move across the slides. So to begin with, just open your Microsoft Word and you will be welcome with this very fresh and blank slide. Usually there are 3 methods, like I said. The first one is you can open from a fresh blank slide just like so, or you can come to new slide and just add a new slide, title and content. Okay, it's either of the 2. You can follow this title and content slide, and by default when it comes in with title, and you can see some number of contents over here that are just faded a little bit. One of the key features of these contents of these features is that it has a feature that enables you to import a video inside your PowerPoint slide. So you can just take a look at it. You can see it over here, insert video from a file. So once you just click on this, it's going to pop up directly for you to insert a video within your computer. So you just navigate around to wherever you have that video and just bring it in directly. Okay, so assuming I have this video, I can just select it. I can just go ahead and insert directly, and it's going to insert into my PowerPoint slide. So then you have the option to either move around. Okay, so you can zoom it out, or you can just drag it from the edges to zoom out, maybe to fill up the PowerPoint spacing or thereabout. And once you play on this, you will be able to start playing the video directly. You can see, so I'm just going to stop it. So this is the first method in which you can bring in a video in your slide. The second method, you can just, let's say we create another slide. From the second slide, you can add a video if you want by just creating the second slide, and then you can come all the way to insert over here, and you can go all the way to video down here. Okay, at the top right. So you just click on this small arrow and you have the option to insert directly from a browser. Okay, so you can click and then you can insert from browser, and you can check within the directory that you have within your system to just bring out all the videos that you have. You can just select on any and you just double click to just have an idea of what it is and how does it play. And once you select a given video, you can just quickly drag and drop it inside your browser, and you can see it has just been added to your browser accordingly. You can do the same like we have shown. You can easily resize it. Easily, just like so. You can just resize the edges so that it can play directly. So you can play it also and you can listen to it directly. So this is the second method. The third method is, let's try to create another slide, and then we can come back to the same insert. You can come to video over here, and you can insert from stock videos also online. Okay, so these are stock videos that are online. You can just select any one of them and you can have it inserted. So select anyone and you can click on insert, and it's going to be inserted into your video. So you can see right now it has been inserted. You can just try to play to have a preview of it. You can see it. All right, so the next one is you can create a new slide. Let's say we've created a new slide, and then we can come all the way to insert, and then we can come to video down here, and then we can bring in video online. So we just click on video online, and now you have to insert the URL or the link to that video. So let's say we are inserting a YouTube video. I'll just paste the link. I just click on insert. This is going to look for the video online, and then it's going to insert it just like so. It has found the video and it has inserted it. So we can start playing the videos from the beginning. If you want to start playing, you can just select that particular slide, and then you can come down here to the slideshow mode and just click to start it, and you can see it has started the slideshow mode. While you are on the slideshow, you can just click to play it. This is option 1. Later on, I will show you how to play automatic. As you just click to start the slide, the video is going to start with it as well. So you can go to the next slide. Okay, once you are on this slide also, you can navigate around and just click to play it, and you can see the video starting very nicely and fantastically. So you can go to the next one also. You can see the one that we've just imported from the stock videos, and then the last one, which is the video from the YouTube. In the YouTube videos, you just have to give some seconds for it to load so that you can have it on your slide. So once you click on this, it's going to start playing also directly from YouTube. This shows that it's been embedded on this particular slide. As I promised, I'm going to show you how to start playing a given video automatically from a slide. Just by mere clicking on enabling that slide, the video is going to start playing automatic. So once you are on any slide, select the video or double click on it. You will see two things at the top here: the video format and the playback option. These are very important tabs that you must know about videos that you import or you brought into PowerPoint. So the first is the video format. You have the option to play directly, or you can correct the video in terms of the coloration. You can play around with the coloration from here, or you can change the color. Also, you can play around with, you can check more variations and you can give colors to, you can add poster frames to the video. Okay, you can import, or you can just reset everything as regards the corrections that you've done here to normal or to the way it started. You can add some frames to your video directly. Okay, so right now as you hover over, you'll be able to bring in some frames. You can see some nice frames, and even at some point you can resize and you can even make it have some shadows around. Okay, or you can change it to have this kind of tilting so it looks like a television or something. Okay, so you can do all that within PowerPoint. It all depends on you. And you can check out the video border from here. You can see no border, or you can enable border with different coloration and have deep lines of different weights from here, dashed line or broken lines. You can enable all that from here. And you have a bunch of other things, like you can adjust the shapes and you can crop the video using different kind of shapes directly with rectangular cropping, or you can check out other shapes and crop accordingly, or check out the aspect ratio, or you can do fit to fill or just normal fill to the slide directly. So once you are on this, these are some of the key features. You can bring forward the video, you can send backward depending on what you have on your slides. Okay, and one of the most important is the playback option. Once you are on the playback, you have the option also to add bookmark, or you can trim the video in cases when you want to reduce, or you can cut out some part of the video that you don't want. For example, the beginning, you may wish to cut out the beginning, or you may wish to cut out the end. You can do all sort of trimming from here, and once you're done, you can just click on trim and it's going to trim this video for you directly. Okay, so it all depends on you. Next, we have the fade in. You can fade out at given points. You can specify the fade in time and out, and you can play around with the volume directly, low volume, high volume, and you can do that manually as well. You can see from the video, once you select it, you can see videos down here, and you have the volume down here. You can increase or decrease the volume accordingly. So one of the most important steps that I want to show you is the start option. Do you want to start the video in click sequence? This is the default on click. That means you have to select the video. You can have to come over here and click it before it starts. The next option is you can click on the drop down and you can say automatically, you can say it should just start. Okay, so once you put in automatic, and once you come back to the slides, this one also we can set it to automatic. You can set this to automatic, and you can see automatic. So once you set it to automatic from the first slide, once you enter the slide mode, if you go to the second slide, it's just going to start playing automatically without you having to come over and click on it to start playing. You can see it's playing automatically. When you move to the next slide also, it's going to start playing directly without you having to click on that play button to start playing. Okay, so the same way. So it all boils down to you. Let me click on escape, press on escape to stop the video and come back to the normal one. So you can just continue the playback features. You can play in full screen if you want, or you can hide during show. If you can hide that also. If you like, you can loop until stop. So what this means is once the video starts playing, it's going to play continuous. Once it reaches the end, it's going to start from the beginning as well, and you can enable that from here. So all the other features you can enable. So it's just simply telling us is once you select a video, you have these playback and video format options to play around with, depending on how you want your videos to appear to your audience. Okay, so this is basically how to bring in videos into your PowerPoint slide. The last option is you can easily drag and drop a video also inside the timeline. So let's try to test that and see for ourselves whether it works or not. So assuming I have a video and I have a fresh slide, I can just navigate to where I have that video. For example, I have it here. on this YouTube, you can just easily drag and drop it, and it's going to work the same way. Okay, so dragging and dropping also works for you. You can see the video and its properties are also here. Okay, so you can go ahead and resize it and set the properties accordingly as we have just discussed. So feel free to give it a try. Okay, try to import videos on your PowerPoint and try to entice your audience with PowerPoint slides. It makes a lot of sense and a lot of meaning. I think that does it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.